trying to say?
Hey, Mama, come here. There's an owl.
Maybe she's hungry.
Yeah. Look. Look.
She was speaking earlier. Hi. That's what a bald eagle sounds like.